for today's video, this game is an obby. So here's my friend, and we are gonna go as far as we can go. So start. Also guys, we're gonna make a part 2 in this. So stick along. Oh. So we're not gonna read anything in here, but we are just gonna continue until my friend rage quit, or just my phone guess is full storage. Sorry guys, I just used an auto. Also, my name is Terence, and this is my friend is name is Von. Okay guys, gonna continue the game. I'm just gonna go be quiet. No, huwag masyado ipakita yung ano. So my friend died, and that's one thing for the video. Ang pangalan nito? So guys, my friend just type OB in the game. So if you want to play this, just type OB. And guys, make sure not just randomly rage quit. Okay guys, I'm sorry from something. So maybe we are gonna end in 10 minutes or 5. Guys, we need to go. And this is our age is only, I'm only 9 years old, and my friend is we are both 9. And guys, my birthday is in November 24. So comment below in November. It's okay if you don't want to comment.
6 to 6. Final round.
We are gonna reach. It's okay if we. So for today's video, I scratched that guys. I'm sorry. We are gonna. I think we are trying to reach 100 subscribers in 2 weeks or 1. Thank you for your support. Ayan na. Guys, my friend, he said this is hard, so he always dies. Stop blocking the door. Guys, I don't know how to. Guys, there's nothing happened. Okay, guys, nothing happened. Sorry for the hand. So guys, please remind me in the comments how much do we need. How much do we need to get to live? Okay guys, how many likes or subscribers? I don't know, but we are just starting. We just create our second video guys for today. Just today guys, we created 2 videos, but this is the longest one. The other one is called, the other one is a grow garden. And my friend is strong in there. So, we are, just wait for part 2. Guys, my friend said this is so hard. And guys, do you think this one is hard? Comment down below.
Bakit naman?
Pag sinabi ko wait na. Parang nag 10 minutes na, wag ka gumalaw. Tapos tignan mo yung tumingin ka dito sa may camera. Hindi sa Roblox mo. That's nothing, guys. I'm so sorry for that one. Because we don't have a computer, so we are using a phone right now. So we are getting this is a little bit hard for us to record. And we don't have any cameras. We are just using our phones.
Nalanlan. Kanina pumunta ng lolo.
Guys, comment down below if you can beat the end of his score, guys. Comment down below how much and what stage are you in right now.
Sila pa ako?
Hindi makita dyan. Guys, for the next video, we will just use an iPad. And it's a little bit cracked. Is that okay, guys? And it's not my friend playing in the next video. Maybe it's my brother. My little brother. Lapit na ba?
Hindi ko maano.
Guys, I guess a little kid just playing a game, but we already know how to make a video. That's strange for your kids, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Is that strange for you guys. Because I just a kid and just randomly make a video in your age. Yan, ano na. Yan. Tumigil ka. Tapos, ano, tanggalin mo yung ano mo. Tanggalin mo yung lock mo.